Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make a very tasty pasta jollof. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video and I'll see you next time for another wonderful Mrs. Jury recipe. Bye! You need 3 onions, and these are medium-sized onions, 5 garlic cloves and 5 Scotch bonnet pepper. You also need 3 more sliced onions and 2 big chunks of fresh ginger. For this recipe, we are also using carrots, so I have here about 250 grams, but you can add more. We are also going to add scallions or salad onions or green onions. For this recipe, we'll be using 3 plum tomatoes, but you can use the chopped ones or the fresh ones if you like. We are going to add some hot curry powder, some chicken stock, and we are also going to add some tomato puree, 1 tube of tomato puree. You can use tomato paste. And this time we decided to use fusilli pasta, but you can use spaghetti or any other pasta type you like. And of course you need some oil, and we are using vegetable oil. You need some salt to taste. So now that we have everything ready, let's get started. So we have decided to prepare our pepper mixture. So blend the onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet peppers and also ginger all together. We are not going to add any liquid to it, so no water. We are just going to blend it just like that. But do add some water if you don't have a powerful blender, as I always say. Blend it until smooth and stop the blender. Next, add some oil into a cooking pot, about 1 cup. And when the oil is hot enough, you can start to fry the onions. So these are 3 medium-sized onions. So fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. And then you can add your tube of tomato puree or tomato paste. So this tube is about 200 grams. Next, stir it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. You can now add the pepper mixture, stir it and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a medium to low heat. We are now going to blend our plum tomato, so blend it until smooth. And when it's ready, we are going back to our onion and pepper mixture. So as you can see, it is looking great already. We're just giving it a good stir, and then we are going to add our blended plum tomato to it. Now cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can add your curry powder, so about half a tablespoon is okay, unless you want more. Add some salt, don't forget to taste it. And then last but not least, add some chicken stock to it, and about half a tablespoon should be fine, unless you want more. And now we are going to add our chicken stock, because we did add some chicken stock, but you do not have to add it, but it makes it better or gives it a better taste. Now stir it, and then this is optional, but we always like to reserve some stew on the side, especially when we're making jollof rice. In this case with the pasta, just to put it on top of it. And now we are going to add the fusilli pasta. And as I said previously, if you want to use spaghetti, please go ahead and use spaghetti, but this time we just wanted a change. Now stir it and make sure it looks like this, okay? It has to be nicely put together. And now you need to add 1 full glass of water to make it easier to cook, and don't forget to stir it after you have added the glass of water. And now we are going to add our carrot to it. So as I said, between 200 and 300 grams should be fine. And then we are going to add our scallions or green onions or salad onions, If you want to add different vegetables, please go ahead and use it. Now cover it and leave it to cook for 15 minutes to begin with, okay? And then you can start to give it a little stir just to make sure it doesn't burn. Now leave it to cook another 15 to 20 minutes, and this is how it should look like. It is perfectly cooked. If you think it is still a bit hard, leave it on the stove a bit longer. Alright guys, so this was our pasta jollof recipe. As you can see, it is a very easy one, very tasty one. You can reduce the pepper if you think it's too much. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.